Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Vanguard ETFs to consider on the Australian Securities Exchange include VAS for Australian shares and VGS for global shares. VAS has a management fee around 10%. These ETFs trade like ordinary shares, so you can buy any whole share as your initial position, and there is no stamp duty on listed ETFs in most states. Expect brokerage commissions typically between and 0 per trade. Some platforms offer 0 commission trades for certain funds. Always check the product disclosure statement, ASX code, and current MER before purchasing. Start by opening an ASX-capable brokerage account, complete ID verification, and optionally provide your TFN for correct tax reporting. Fund the account with sufficient AUD to cover the share cost plus brokerage and possible currency conversion if buying an international ETF listed in AUD. Then search the ETF by its ASX code, choose either a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control price, and enter the quantity. If you want direct chess sponsorship, select a broker that supports chess so your holdings appear on your HIN and review all fees before confirming. After buying, set dividend instructions to either reinvest distributions into more ETF units or pay dividends to your nominated bank account. Note international ETFs may have withholding tax on distributions. Regularly monitor each ETF's management expense ratio, tracking error, and underlying index composition, and rebalance your portfolio at least annually to maintain your target allocation. Keep thorough records of purchase dates, quantities, and prices for tax. Claim franking credits where applicable and account for foreign tax offsets when completing your tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.